All right, really quick tip for growing pretty healthy, big plants when you're starting from seed. You can go out and buy a bunch of these little seed trays or the larger seed cups. But what I find works just as well or better actually, and is way more cost effective, is to just get some plastic cups. You get about 60 of them for $2 or less, and they hold obviously a lot more dirt, so your plants can get a lot bigger and stronger and healthier before you have to put them out in the weather. You can start in smaller ones if you want and then transfer, or you can just start straight into the bigger ones, which is the easier thing to do. So all you're going to want to do is take the cups and you're going to want to cut 3 slices. I just use a sharp knife, it goes in really quick. This is to let the water drain. So I just do 3 slices. That gives plenty enough for the water to escape without so much that it weakens the structure of the bottom. I find I can cut through 4 of these at one time, and then after that it starts to get a little difficult. So there you go. Really cheap, easy, quick method to get your plants started big and healthy before you have to put them in the dirt. Instead of buying those expensive cups or buying plants that are already started for $3 something a piece, you just get your seeds for next to nothing. Start them in plastic cups. You might be thinking, oh no, the plastic, that's bad for them. Well, when you go and you buy trays, guess what? They're plastic too, so it doesn't hurt them at all. Another tip is to get these extra large kitty litter pans. They're really durable, heavy duty. They only cost $4 or $5, and they're really, really big. And they'll last. So you can keep using these year after year, and then you only just rebuy your cups, which is only a few dollars. So every year you're only out, no more than 10 bucks tops to plant a lot of big, healthy cup seeds. And this will hold it, whereas if you're rebuying these every year for all of your plants, that adds up. Because these run, I don't know, anywhere $5 to $10 a piece depending on the brand. So you just get you some cheap little cups, poke your holes in the bottom, plant your seeds, extra large kitty litter pan. This will last you years and years and years. I have some that I've been using for at least 6 years, if not longer, for plants, and they're doing great.